Renae's red snappers are new and improved in their packaging and design. We made them a little bit shorter so that they're easier to store, use, and ship. We have included enough pieces for a 10-foot frame, a 12-foot frame, or a 14-foot frame. But if your customer needs something different, then they can be cut down to fit whatever they need, or they can just use the portions that they need. Now inside, take off the cover, you'll find rods and clamps just as before, but you'll notice they're a little bit shorter than they used to be. Each package of red snappers will have a topper, and here it lists the parts that are included inside. It also has an instruction sheet with a link to a video so they can watch red snappers being used to load a machine. One of the changes we've made to the rods is we have included a dowel that is easy to slip in between the two rods so that they can be extended and you can put them inside the leader.